I just want to make a quick update for you guys so you can find out what is the latest progress that we have for the project. I just finished the second milestone a couple of days early, and I want to show you around the website a little bit because I haven't done a video about the website so far. And then I will show you what was the second milestone all about. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, the first screen of the homepage is has a nice animation. It has some random effects. It has the countdown for the IDO, or let's say the initial offering, because I'm not sure if it will be on a decentralized exchange or it will be direct investment by going to the website. We will see what blockchain solution we will choose. So yeah, let's see. On the second part of the homepage, the second section, we have the Bispheric Identity Internet Protocol. You will be able to see the UI for it. This was the second milestone, and it's accessed through this button right here, which can be positioned anywhere. If you will be a website or an app that will implement our protocol, you can use this little button, and you will see in a moment what the UI looks like and feels like. There are some interesting stats here, information about the protocol and the entire solution that we are trying to create, the technology, which is an object made of the Bispheric Identity Internet Protocol and a gratitude token address. So when you combine these two together, you will see what could be the benefits and the utility of the technology for everyone. The third part is a space that we hold for all the initiatives in different domains, out of which the first will be the Biosphere.media platform that we will use to demonstrate the utility of this technology and the gratitude token. Okay, so this one, the third section, has the shield logo and a little description of what it is. You can read more about this in the white paper here. We will go to in a moment. Let's go to the next section. This is our roadmap here. You can see I'm currently working because I'm the only developer at the moment in our team. I'm working on the third milestone. The first one was the launch of the website. It was completed exactly on 9 March on my birthday. And I planned to release a major update every 3 months. And the second one, which, like I said earlier, it was finished a little bit early, was this. It was the UI, and you will see it after I click this in a moment. And now I'm working on the third. You can go to the website and check out all the other next milestones. This is what we did here. I did for the monetary policy. You can use this control here to rotate this cube, and you will see all you need to know about the monetary policy and the way we will distribute the tokens in essence. There's more about this in the white paper. A little countdown here. This is our team. And in the bottom of the website, you can see here we have social media links to share the web page. On any page, you can share the page. The little join us puzzle that I will show you in a moment. This is our news feed on Substack that we are currently using. You can subscribe here for news to come. Another menu for the website, which is in the footer. And of course, we have useful links here, social media channels, Discord, whatever you need. If you have a website or you work for a media company or something like that, You can use the media release kit here. I can show you. It has a lot of materials. You can download them in this link here, or you can just save either of these images. We use the GPL, the GNU license. Everything is open source here. We are protecting progress and the technology itself. We are not protecting corporations with this license. Everyone can use what we write here, all the technology, all of our code, but not for commercial purposes, not for making money, making it business as usual. Okay, so I show you around the homepage. I can show you the next, the Join Us puzzle, which is on every page. Here you can, choose a role. If you're a code lover, if you like programming, building, developing software, you can click this link and send us our GitHub ID. It will then lead to this puzzle that you need to solve. And then we can contact you, but make sure you have contact details on your GitHub account that we can check, all right? If you are an awareness creator or an investor or anything other that you can think of as a role, you can choose like a username here. You can leave us an email, a phone number, or Discord ID, any of these three, or all of them if you want to separate them by comma or whatever. So we have two main questions here for awareness creator, which are very important. The first one is very abstract and it's a profound question. It's not about your name. It's not about a email address or what you do, for a living. It's a more profound question. It's about consciousness, and how do you see your reality? How do you see yourself? How do you relate to the world? We want to see in this question your level of consciousness. We want to see how everything ties together in your mind about who are you in this world, in this reality, right? And the second one, it's what you can do for the mission. It's even if it's an hour per day, something small, it doesn't matter. Nothing is too little or not important for us. We need all the help we can get, and if you want to join us and if you want to support us, answer these questions, send us or answer your answers, and we will contact you. Okay, let's head on back to the main page. And these two sections are not available yet. They will be, but you can check out our white paper. It has quite a few pages. It has like 106 pages, right? It's full of videos and some images. And I suggest and I invite you to scroll through, read on. You have an index here on the left, and don't skip any chapter. Everything is important in order to understand our mission here and the projects that we are trying to work on, the technologies that we are trying to build here. You need to have these notions of psychology, technology, blockchain, money, consciousness. Everything ties together in one big ambitious mission, which is written on the homepage. You will see it in a moment, right? Our token of gratitude is on a worldwide mission, and it's really ambitious. I'm aware of this, but I'm not going to quit until we have an impact on the world and we change something, right? This is our mission. We are trying to basically, we're trying to reduce, that 1% versus 99% gap, right? This is what we're trying to do. Okay, so without further ado, let's head on to the announcement that I wanted to make. And I'm going to click on the button here. Okay, so this first screen is where you will select your username, which is attached to an address, right? All the content here is, at the moment, it's a placeholder because we don't have the blockchain solution yet done. So when we will launch the gratitude token, you will be able to come here and make your own gratitude address. And you can see here, you can click on this and or use escape or control B to pull it up, trying to make it as user friendly as possible. And you can select an identity. This is one of the usernames that theoretically would be attached to an address, right? And this is a bispheric identity. It's a unique way of identifying a person, a human, right? Because it doesn't need email address, phone numbers, anything like that. We need a gratitude token address, and you have finance and personal information in this ID, in this identity, right? Of course, you can share extra information if you'd like, and you are governing all of this. You can enable anything here that you want to share with us, because we will be the first in the world to implement the bispheric identity internet protocol. And you can see you can block everything here, or individually block a username for us, and we will not be able to access the information or the finance for it, right? There's a few information bits here. This is where you can click if you're here and you have the interface opened. You can swap your username. You can select a different username for this address, and you can see the balance, and you can see the gratitude token address here. You can change your username here. You can close it like this, or pull it back up, Control B, or you can click on here. It's the same thing. Now, there will be a manual. We don't have one yet. On the relations page, most of the content will be supplied by the keeper that you are on. The keeper being a website or an app, something like that. And we called it this because we would really like to see a website or an app as a keeper of information and finance, not something that is a risk for your personal information or finance, right? It's something that can be hacked, something that they manage and sell. It should be decentralized, and we all should keep our finances and information as secure as possible and independent of any government and any entity or third party. And we need to be the masters of our personal information, personal data, and finance, right? Here you will be able to come and make an order to invest in the gratitude token IDO or the initial offering. Here you can block entire websites or apps quickly if you need to. There will be some news. Most of the content here, or at least half of it, will be specific to the gratitude token world website. But if it would be a different website, it would be specific to that website or that app. The finance section is very important. This is the last one. You can see here what you will receive from the IDO, what you spend here. If it will be the case, you can deposit directly from another address, or withdraw, to a different address. And very important, you will have, this will evolve in the future. We will have many settings, but you have a way to limit, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly amounts of the gratitude token balance that we can access for this address. And you can see here, you can limit like something like 0.0001 gratitude tokens per transaction. You can put one transaction per day or something. You have a lot of control about what a website or an app can use, as a budget for different actions or things that you need to pay for, interacting with that platform or app. Of course, you have a lot of details here in the transaction history. You have who initiated the transaction. Was it us? Was it you? What type of action initiated the transaction? Is it an in-out transaction? You will have a lot of details. You can click here. You will be able to go to the Blockchain Explorer. And basically, that's it for the UI. This will be the 1.0 beta version, and we will tie this together with the blockchain technology, and all this information and your money, your gratitude tokens will be on a very secure blockchain, a very fast blockchain, and there will be no commission fees, nothing, no fees. You will see the possibilities that are available for this type of solution, this type of technology, are really, really amazing. You can do like micro payments. You can calculate things with great precision. There's a lot of cool stuff that you will be able to do. And yeah, there's a bunch of secrets on the website that you can play with. There are some open secrets. If you go to GitHub and you will check out our code base, there is a text file in there, and you can see some cool features of the website. I think that's about it for now. This is us. We need all the help we can get for this open source project, and we need to expand our community. So if you are interested and you like what we are trying to do here, join us. I'm really eager to meet you and build some great things together. Yeah, so all right, you can subscribe here to the website directly in the browser, or go to any of our communities, Discord, join Discord, and we will talk more about what we want to do here. If you have any questions, we can answer them. Yeah, so feel free to contact us, and have a great day.